gloves on because this nail trimmer is certainly not safe to touch, never mind trim your nails with. But this rusted and quite busted looking pair is about to be restored. Right now being stripped down to its basic parts, and it all starts with a quick acid bath to break down that rust, and then a zoom in on the wire brush and a series of other heads on that rotary tool grinding down through that rust. And you can see the rust got pretty deep. Some of those little dimples of rust still there even once an almost all metal surface has been ground down. And for something like that, not a bad idea to use a rust conversion chemical. In the end though, piece number 1 done, and then on to the file. This part a little tricky, you don't want to wear away the actual file texture. In other words, turning it from a file simply into a flat piece of metal. And again, so much material to grind through to get down to that clean finish. Fortunately, the grooves still evident, which means all the parts, including this lever piece, should still function well. A little more rust to remove, and in fact that one piece snapped will need to be repaired very carefully. A little stick welding, the excess material then ground down. Looking almost good as new. Now to sharpen those clipping blades. That's looking more like it. The file reinstalled, time to get that rivet locked back in place. The excess then cut away. All this needs now is a little oil and a test nail. The rivet cleaned up. Time to take a look at this now restored nail cutter. That's looking more like it.